4.6, theoretical versus experimental probability. In real life, when you roll a dice 6 times, you're not going to get each number once. So say you roll 6 times, you could get 3 2 times, or you could get 5 3 times. However, in reality, probabilities will hold true the more trials you complete. So say you extend the number of times you roll the dice to 200. It's more likely then that the probabilities will even out, and that the probability of you rolling a 2 will look more like 1/6 than, say, if you just take 6 trials. So there are two different kinds of probabilities that I want you to know about. So theoretical probabilities. So this is what we've been dealing with so far, like to pull a specific card. So if I pulled 2 of hearts from a deck, the probability of me pulling that card would be 1 out of 52, because there's one of those types of cards, and there are 52 cards in the deck. So that's what I'm talking about, theoretical probability, or tossing heads or tails is 50-50. So this is the chance of an event occurring determined by calculating it mathematically. So this is what we've been looking at so far. However, in reality, sometimes we don't get the exact same results as theoretical probability. There's a name for that. Okay, so the probability that happens through experiments is called experimental probability. So that's the chance of an event occurring based on repeated testing. So you have two options available to you. You can either do the rolling dice assignment, or you can do the tossing pennies assignment, which both of those things get you to actually do some experimenting and document what the experimental probabilities are. And then what you're going to do is you're going to compare that with the theoretical probabilities. So look at each one of those assignments, see which one works better for you, and you can do the one that looks best. And just a little note, you can toss any coin. It doesn't have to be a penny. You don't have to go and find a penny. That might be hard these days.